Kini kadai kedudashan Meghalaya ban ipediang sengabai pi baro syakatup kubor menta kajan mit. Shwaban pa shiki kubor ki babenya ngini page shwaya ki mat bukongsan. Bu mau nongrem ka menteri ketenat pelatingka ke sorka kedeng yaki projek Beijing Tei ki basyongdor palat kaut kat saus pak pelatingka ha Meghalaya. Kli ka menteri ketenat pelatingka ka Nirmala Sitharaman ya ka jingshalan sok turun na Meghalaya sya UAE ka bapen i ya ka jiya yau ki marep ka than chatela mingi ha ka perthai. Yaro ka Nirmala Sitharaman ya ki jinghikai ki KHASI ong ba ki jing start dan rai kidai kilat dan manra ya ka roi kapar. Bat yaki persya kinong shong ka mai kuli halo ka jing tende dia uput pedeng gejela Assam bat Meghalaya. Ki khubor ki babniat ka menteri ketenat pelatingka jangka sorkar pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman kabalawan jengo ya ka Meghalaya na kabenta sausni kalabu mau nongrim lengba ka video hene ka sngi na kabenta santali ki project Beijing Tei ha jella hapo ka scheme special assistance to states for capital investment lania ka SASCI bad ka prime minister's divine scheme ka basyong dor khat saus pa arpaway point iwe henriu klur tingka halarity performing center ha new Shillong town Kalapli perdaru ya ki nyau pau artli ki digital library kabala dep banchna na ki nyau spa san pau tli ki library ki balamang hagi jaka nong kendong jong jela hapo ka SASCI haga jinglut ka ba shi spa handriu pau art klur tingka kala samru ya ki check syaki nong yo jingmentoi hapo ka PM mudra ka PM swanidhi ka NPS watsalia bat ki we Kham Hashwa ka Sitharaman kala ajingkren ha ka chingalang chong ka IICE North East Conclave arajar arpausan ha IIM Shillong. Kala let jingoru ya ka Shillong Tech Park bat ya shimenta ha ka jing sedang jong ka jing shalan so turun na Meghalaya sya Dubai. Ka menteri ketenat pelatingka ke sorkar pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman hene ka sngi kalaya ro i ka jing start ya ki nongrim bat ka jing penne pensa i ka jing long jing ki nong shong shnong gajela da ka ba kedau i ka jing la penne jong ki ha ka perthai bamenta wat ha pedeng ka jing ale ha ka perthai ban penne pensa ya ka barim na lor ka roi kapar haba penpau ya ka jing snau tenat ka menteri ketenat pelatingka kalaya ro ya ka jing long tenrai jong ki jat bendiu KHASI bat ong ba kini ki nongrim kim long tang ki bayai ne Henry ki a ya jing hikai bakordor na kabenta ke imlang sa lang jeng kecuk ka bamenta kani ka menteri kala banjur halor ka jing thrang jongka ban shim ya gini ki jing long bat kubor ba ki don ya ki jing long bakongsan ka bakrau ban kentiu ya ka hok ka jing penyar bat ka jing penbha ya ka perthai
foundational principle which is what is today's sustainability, shared prosperity. You get all this from the Western world today. They tell you that every policy, unless it is going to be for the common good, we shall not fund from the World Bank, we shall not fund from so and so and so on. In very many different ways they say it. But isn't that the wisdom of the KHASI people? Is it something new for us? Didn't we know about it? But when it is being reminded, we have to doubly remind ourselves that that's all right. We respect that. But our people have said it here in the KHASI land. Our people, our headmen have told this to every villager. Our people have said this among one another. Our youth may be in a hunger to move forward so that they can achieve their goals. But the wisdom of our people cannot be forgotten. We have to remind ourselves that wisdom of KHASI language.
Hakaway pat kabenta ka menteri ketenat pelatingka ka Nirmala Sitharaman kalapen scam halor ka jing tmu shisha jong ka sorkar umodi na kabenta ka roi kapar jong ka than chatei la mingi jong kari haga jing ajing kren jong ka lapen shai ba ka jing wan bakha kha jong menteri rang badu kari bat ki wedi ki menteri ka sorkar pedeng sha ka than ha ki shiphaus nam baladam kapen pau ki jing thrang jong ka sorkar om tang ban kentiu ye ki jing tei henry ban pentiknaru ba ki scheme ken poi hok sha ki benta Kalamang. Kalakadau bakini gijing wan jengo omtang baken ajing mentoy kikam kicam kibahe, Henry wat kikam kicam kibarit ru. Ka Sitharaman kala ong syu ba kanong rim jong ka sabka sat sabka wikas kala sedang suthiet rengkat bat kicing mentoy kababun kablapoy sikipat ba hakeleng ki benta jong kari kabaken thop ya kathan chatei lamingi.
Why I'm elaborating on this one particular principle of Prime Minister Modi's governance is he says that he understands the pulse of the common people. He designs schemes in order that the common people benefit from them, and in implementing, it is not just lying in the files, it actually happens in the ground. And that doesn't happen only in and around Delhi, it happens in far-flung regions. It happens definitely in the northeast as well. So these are only token gestures which I'm showcasing, but actually from the banks, everybody who approaches them does get that assistance. So the large principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas that Prime Minister often repeats is getting in the ground benefits reaching to common people. So that is why these small examples are being put before you.
Ka Menteri Katanat Pelatingka ka Sorkar Pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman henne kasi kala banjur halor gajing don kam banwanra ya karoi kapar ka bapura hagishnong ki badon hakijaka khaput hapo jongka vibrant village program habakren shakilat pathai kubor ha Shillong henne kasngi ka Sitharaman kala ong ba ka vibrant village program ka kham ai jing mentoi shibun ban ya ka border area development program hagini kishnong da ka bakdau ya gajingla banwanra ya karoi kapar hakiliang baro Hakishnong ki badon hachaka khaput nadu gajingla ban penyaso hadu gajingla ban penmi yakilat kamai gachi ban kentieu ya kapuli puthi bat gajing ai jingarap hakaliang ka koit kakhia.
No, I don't think that's the case at all. Border area funds are continuously on. It's being managed from home and defense together. So vibrant village is now a more comprehensive approach towards holistic development of those villages which are on the border. What it does is, as different from a border road or village, the earlier program, is not just develop access of road or telephone connectivity, but this gives livelihood options for the communities which are living there, improving not only connectivity, but as I said, many of the basic indices of education, health, giving people livelihood opportunities and so on. So the Vibrant Village program has now widened the scope of development for those border villages.
Ka Shillong Cantonment Board kalamencur ya ka draft Shillong Cantonment Building Bylaws arajar arposan ka banengkong hakisan posnem ka balong kasinjam ka bakong san ban pentre kam bat penne hapo gajaka ka bahap hagajing pet ki sipai kanong ba ya kani ka draft laap ya gajing menjur na katanat ya da jongkari u MLA ubadeiru unong yalam ka BJP uba sanbor shulai ubalong udukhot ubalasha khot snobha ulaong bayakani ka draft labishar bania da ka MEGHALAYA Urban Development Authority da ka babu hakmat igijing don kam banbu iki kendon chnayeng hakijaka chong ka cantonment.
The draft was approved just on the 1st of this month, July, in the last board meeting, which was held in the office of the Shillong Board. So it was approved, and then this draft building bylaws was vetted with the MEGHALAYA Urban Development Authority. The final approval will be done by the Ministry of Defense in Delhi, and after that, as a local MLA, along with the official of the Shillong Board and members of the Shillong Cantonment Area Development Committee, will be meeting the Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, and as to enable us to speed up the matter and to get the final approval from his table.
ki nong shong shnong jong ka shnong mai khuli ki la yalum lang henne ka sngi ban yakhi persha ya ka soskular bala soi hapdeng ka sarkar Meghalaya bat ka sarkar Assam ha ka ba yadei bat ka jing pen bet ya uput usam ka jela ka jing yakhi persha jong ki ka long halor ka jing kan thop ya ka pung dok kha ka bala ai jing men to ya ki nong shong shnong ki ba sa ha mai khuli ka ba hadian jong ka jing yate soskular kala hab sha ka jela Assam ki nong shong shnong ki la mi shiki surok da ka bara igi jing tho bandawa ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ban shimbyang ya kani kapung dok ha.
We are not going to give our fishery fund to Assam because it is a well-known our Maikuli village fishery fund. Now since more than 50 years we are maintaining. That's why we never going to surrender to Assam. It is the main point. That's why we are proceeding today. And also we have more time. We have given the memorandum also to our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everyone, Chief Secretary also. I got this memorandum and I have seen this all the points. No, that's why we are protesting here today. I request our Honorable Chief Minister, Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details historical.
Hakasin kabaningkong kabor senchar jong ka Eastern West KHASI Hills District kalalong kabajob hakaban penlong ye gejingalang kmi bnia jong ka District Development Coordination bat ka Monitoring Committee ha Circuit House Mairang lapenya ye gani gejingalang da MP ka Shillong u Dr. Vicky AJ Sengkon u balongru u Chairman jong kani ka committee kani gejingalang katmu ban kmi bnia halor gejing pentrekam bat gejing pentelun ye ki skim sarkar ha kani ka district. Kibor senchar jongka West China Hills District henne ka sngi ke la penlong ya ka program pen kuburam ya ki nong job jongka jing kop tho ese ha ka letniam bedin klam ha ka bala sakhi ya ka jingwan shimbenta jong arspa ngut ki khana na jowai ya ka ni ka program la penlong ha conference room ka DC office jowai la ple ya ka ni ka jing kop da UMLA ka than uba wailat miki shela haba ajing kren uba shela ulaya ro ya gajing trai shitom jing Kibor district da ka ba pen pau ba watla kalong gajing persyang ka barin henry kalong pat ka ba kongsan ula ongru ba karilum jaintia kadon ya ka call short ka bariu spa bat kalong ka ba kongsan ban penne pensa ya ka kale niam bedin kram kaba shisen chisnem kelas dang hene kesngi hajawai ha kaba layo sngo ya gijing sawa jengki bom bat gijing pun ki samla bat ki rangba jong kanyam tri ki bahab hapo karat jawai ki laya shimbenta ha gijing shat kum shibenta jong kani gijing le nyam bala tip kum ka ki so sngi le yaw hene kesngi ki konrat ki lara ya ki simbut khnong na riat turim shaya musyang bat bu ha lum suyong hadu bandakut kani gijing le nyam ka bedin klam ka bamut banbe ya ka klam ka ngo kadai ka chingle niam ka bakarpang jengki penar jong ka China Hills ban buram ya ublei nong bu nong thau bat ban pan jingkat khu na ka benta ka kwat ka khia bat ka roi ka par Mentangin pej igajing long chingman kaswing beneng hatura. Kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius but gajing shed kalong 5 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau-hau kalong hinyopaway na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong iway 0.1 mm. Habap hai pat chanong ba Shillong kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius but gajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau-hau kalong kandai po na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.1 mm. Kat bah hajawai kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius but gajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau-hau kalong prapo kandai na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong iway 0.9 mm. Kala bandon kajing hap slap kaba malumala pat kajing tiet uperthat haki babun kicaka hatura Shillong bat jawai. Syuaban poi sya kabakut jong katup kubor yang yapet biang sasyasin yakimat bakongsan. Bu mau nongrim ke Menteri Ketenat Pelatingka Kesuarkan Pedeng ya di projek Tejing Tei kita Syongdor Palat Khat Saus Pak Pelatingka MEGHALAYA. Beli ke Menteri Ketenat Pelatingka ka Nirmala Sitharaman ya kejing shalan sok turun na MEGHALAYA sya UAE ka BPNI kejing yau ki marep kathan cetai la mini ha ka petai. Ya ro ka Nirmala Sitharaman ya kejing hikai ki KHASI ong bagi jing start penrai kedai galat menandra ya ka kedai tepat. Bad yaki persya kinong syang ka mai kuli halor kejing tended ya uput hakdeng gejela MEGHALAYA bat asam. Te paralok katungi la poisha kabukut jong katuk khubor jingi menta ka janmir hadu bangin daya syambiang bat pila syai kesingi kublai pi barwa.
Consultations with legal experts as part of its ongoing deliberations. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman reaffirmed the Union government's strong commitment to the development of Northeast. Inaugurating the IICA Northeast Conclave 2025 at IIM Shillong, Sea-Shared Development for All is taking root on the ground. Now on a 4-day visit to the state, the Minister of